So this is how you copy two ID cards and have them printed either top and bottom or side by side. We're going to show you how to copy two ID cards, the front and the back, and have them printed either top and bottom or side by side. This will be done on the HP SmartTank 7000 or the 720 printer series. So to begin, we'll show you how to copy the ID cards and have them printed top and bottom. Open the scanner lid. You'll notice that once the scanner lid is open, the copy buttons will light up. Place the cards in this orientation, copying the front of the card first. Close the scanner lid. Select the ID copy button. Now, you can choose to copy the ID cards in color or black. We'll press on the color copy button. Once the front is scanned, you can see the blinking scanner icon. Flip the card over to copy the second side. Press on the color copy button. And there, the two ID cards are copied and printed top and bottom. Next, we'll show you how to copy the ID cards and have them printed side by side. Open the scanner lid, and this time you place the ID cards in this orientation. We'll copy the back of the ID card first. Press on the ID copy button. We'll copy in color. The first side is copied. Flip the cards to copy the second side. Press on the blinking color copy button. And you can see that the ID cards are copied and printed side by side. So this is how you copy two ID cards and have them printed either top and bottom or side by side.